Come on, we dress you. What? Oh,
You got a stammer thumb. Come up here with us. Do you have a picture of your character?
yeah.
Keep the gum picture. Alright, so we're going to put you in this. And we'll give you the card to read, okay? So you don't have to memorize it. Put it on the picture.
Grab your microphone real quick, dear. Thank you very much.
Where's your other one? Alright. Purple and something else in my side. 30 seconds. Jordan. 15. Here are the sticks.
Thank you.
Do you want me to read the chef of pie? We have 10 seconds.
What?
Do you want me to read the see if I have a pie?
No, I found something.
All right, 5 seconds.
Oh!
Total tall.
Where's your hand? We're having a wardrobe malfunction. Okay, what is your name?
Jordan.
Where are you from?
Northfield.
Are you married?
No.
Okay. All right. How old are you?
9.
Of course you're not married. All right. Do you think you'll ever get married?
I don't know.
I don't even know why I'm asking you. Okay, your outfit keeps falling down here, but you're going to read our cheesy joke, right? And I'm going to hold this for you because you can't hold it because you've been wrapped in there. And okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, read the question.
What did one eye say to the other?
What did one eye say to the other? What's the answer?
Something's between us smells.
That is a cheesy joke. Pull that back up. Pull that back up. All right. That is from K.M. Remy from Stowe. So congratulations to her. And for doing that, such a good job, I went into our refrigerator and I found this little bottle of Activia. Dr. Bob is loving it. I don't know what it will do for. Actually, that's probably somebody's lunch. So instead, I'm going to give you tickets to the Cleveland Irish Cultural Festival. So, all right. So there you go. Sorry about the outfit there. And if you have a cheesy joke that you would like to share with us, log on to our website, fox8.com, to submit your joke. You could win 2 large one-topping pizzas from Little Caesars, just like K.M. Remy from Stowe did. All right, I'm afraid to even ask this question. Do you have a lazy brain? Natural health Dr. Bob DeMaria is here to sharpen up our minds, everybody. He's got a knife and probably fire and who knows what else.
You can look at that blade.
Yeah.
Pretty dull.
Very good.
I'm sure that you have one of these at home.
Yeah.
Nice sharpen a blade.
Okay.
Always watch your knuckles down there.
Yeah.
So we're here today to talk about getting your brains sharp.
Okay.
Very
Because do they dull with age, and do they actually peak at a certain point in our life, and then it's?
I would say after you're 25 years old, you start losing blood supply to various parts of your body, especially your spine and your nervous system.
Okay, and that affects your brain?
It does affect your brain because your brain actually needs nutrients. I think sometimes people think our brains just are out there somewhere and nothing is needed to feed
All
it.
right. So that has never changed.
Our brains?
Our brains and the way our brains work. But
what's happening in our society has made a huge, huge difference. And see, I think it's some really basics. Now, let's just do a little trick. You know.
I love your tricks.
Thank you so much.
It doesn't involve burning money, though, does it?
Inside of this ball, there's a computer. Need my glasses? With 2 batteries. Now, what we're going to do is that I'm going to grab your hand. Now, that hand touches the dog.
It's all right. Okay.
Okay, so let's do it like this. Let me have this hand here.
Okay.
Now, do you see that little piece of metal there? I want you to touch it. Don't let go. Now watch. I did that for you. Now watch. We brought it back together again. Our body, that's kind of mysterious, isn't it?
It is.
Our bodies work by electricity.
Okay.
Okay, so our bodies need to have nutrients. Let's look at this here. This is the brain. The brain sits in, I just love all these little props.
I know.
So
And
then-
ironically, it's plugged into electricity.
Very good, very good.
All right.
So this is the right side of your brain,
Mhm.
and this is the left side of your brain. Right side of the brain is for creative thinking. Left brain is a little bit more cognitive thinking, numbers, et cetera, et cetera.
I have no left brain. I was born without a left brain.
You're doing an awesome job today. Your name was? Anyways, we replaced thinking.
Okay.
What are you thinking about? We
Uh-huh.
replaced thinking with calculators.
Yes, yes.
I want you to know this is a map of the Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay.
We replaced looking at maps with GPSs.
Yes.
Do you know your husband's phone number, or do you have to go to the
His
cell phone?
I have no idea what it is.
Of course
I
not.
have absolutely no idea.
Most people don't remember because we're using technology
Right, right.
for
And-
left
and-
brain thinking.
And that is making us,
Lazy.
exactly. So what do we do?
Well, what I'm going to give to you as a gift today is a brain booster.
All right?
Okay, so you can start doing a few little, and this is serious stuff.
It is.
Because I know that children today don't even read with their parents anymore. They read computers, and they don't participate with time.
How do you feel about spell check?
Well, that's really the issue.
That's really-
I like it for myself, but
You-
not for my children, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah, because you don't learn.
Well, I'm just typing along. All of a sudden, I see all these changes. Oh, I didn't know that word was there. Or synonyms.
Uh-huh.
You know, all these words that you don't. We're not taught to think anymore.
All right, so we need to do
Thinking.
puzzles, things like that.
Yes, mathematical numbers,
Okay.
et cetera, et cetera.
Brush
Now,
our teeth with our left hand if we're right-handed.
that would be good. So I know that you just love this brain. Okay, this is your favorite prop.
I love that prop.
But what's
And I
happening?
like the oil can for the liver too.
I couldn't bring it every time. It's like we don't want to overuse them. But here's the key. Gotta keep it fresh.
Okay, yes.
We're having a major issue today in our brains because we're inflamed. Sugar causes a lot of brain challenges. I'm not
Okay.
saying it to be silly.
All right.
There's so much fire on the set today.
Yes.
Stress.
Yes.
Stress
Stress.
wears our bodies out. So all those of you watching me right now, we won't show where I purchased that from, but you want to be eating walnuts. Walnuts are good for the
Brain.
If you look really, really closer, what do walnuts look like?
Brains.
Brain. Omega-3 fats. So, flax oil.
Okay.
Good for the brain. 1 tablespoon per 100 pounds per day. Avoid trans fatty acids.
Really?
Trans fatty acids are parched hydrogenated oils, affect the brain.
Yeah. How do you feel about oh, I'm not even going to go there because we'll get packs of information from Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
Give us the business.
We don't care for high fructose corn syrup. That does affect the brain.
Yeah.
And if you want to learn more, I'm going to have a seminar at my office this week.
Sure.
More information is going to be on the website.
All right, excellent.
Okay.
Excellent. So, is that it?
That's it.
We
Your
just-
gift.
Okay, my gift, we need to do puzzles. We need to eat more brain-like foods.
Stay away from sugar,
And,
and you can get a lot more work done. Isn't that awesome? What a knife.
all right, excellent.
With a sharp
Thank you.
blade.
Always good to
Thank
have
you.
you. Eight is our favorite number, and lucky caller.